Over the last 40 years, Pebax elastomers have become famous for their unique combination of lightness, strength, flexibility, and outstanding energy return, which has helped establish Pebax elastomers as a reference for several flagship applications.
Pebax Rnew elastomer is derived from renewable castor bean. This material has a significant lower carbon footprint thanks to its bio-based content.
The combination of truly exceptional mechanical properties and its bio-based sustainable origin makes Pebax Rnew range of polymers a winning combination.
With the introduction of the new Pebax material for 3D application, we are able to offer unmatched performance, sustainability, and easy processing for endless application. Through the expertise Arkema's R&D team, today we are able to offer new services with Pebax Rnew material. 3D printing parts made from Pebax materials show high level of performance in terms of flexibility, energy return, and also in strength even at low temperature. The powder is also ideally suited for the manufacturing of parts from prototyping to serial production.
These new flexible polymers will greatly expand the possibility of additive manufacturing.
They will enable new demanding applications in various industries. Pebax Rnew powder is the only elastomer made from renewable sources available for use in additive manufacturing. Your imagination is literally the limit.